From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
The mountains have seen snow, of course, over the last several weeks, but last night was the first measurable snowfall that reached the Treasure Valley and left the roads pretty covered and icy this morning. Looks like we got a little dry spell right before the next one starts moving in tomorrow. Today, with a little sunshine breaking through earlier, we melted off some of that snow. We got up to 38 degrees this afternoon, only a degree shy of the average high temperature for the day, but we started out at 20 degrees this morning. Pretty cold. And notice that we picked up 0.02 of an inch of moisture in that snow, so it's only like a ½ inch to an inch at the most. Some places just barely a dusting of snow, so it didn't really add a whole lot to our water supply at this point. But the next one will, especially up in the mountain areas. And right now we're looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies, good visibility as we look toward downtown, and the temperature is a chilly 36 degrees in Boise. Little southeast breeze at 7 miles per hour right now in the valley, so it feels more like the low 30s out there. These are the highs today, low 40s out in the west end of the valley, but mid to upper 30s in the Treasure Valley and the Magic Valley, and 20s in the mountains this afternoon. Well, you can see we've got a bit of a break as far as any active precipitation, except for a few isolated showers hitting in the mountains. More moisture coming in from the Pacific inland now, and the flow is becoming more southwesterly as low pressure drops down the coast and taps into that atmospheric river of moisture and aims it right at our area starting tonight and tomorrow and right on through about Tuesday or so. And so the mountains are under winter storm warnings now in these areas in pink: west central mountains, Boise mountains, central mountain areas until Tuesday evening. A prolonged period of heavy snow for the mountains. 2 to 4 feet in the highest elevations, 1 to 3 feet in some of the mountain communities. And even in the lower elevations below 4,000 feet, there could be several inches of snow, maybe up to a foot, and winter weather advisories are in effect in these areas in blue. So valley locations, not going to be picking up any snow to speak of, except for a small amount like we had this morning, and then it changes over gradually to rain as things warm up. But the projections on the computer for snow totals just through Sunday night are quite significant, up to 1.5 feet in McCall. Some of these mountain areas will be seeing that much or more continuing on into Monday and Tuesday. So some of those communities will be seeing most of their snow Saturday through Saturday night in the west central mountains, and then from Saturday night into Sunday and Monday as it moves into the central mountains, with the ski resorts picking up anywhere from 15 to 20 inches of snow or more. That river of moisture will continue right on into the first part of next week, and here in the valley we'll actually warm up a little bit. For the Magic Valley, looking for partly cloudy skies tonight, mostly cloudy tomorrow and in the low 40s. Central mountains will start to see some snow later in the day tomorrow, low 30s in the afternoon, and then heavy snow starting Saturday night into Sunday. West central mountains see it earlier. Periods of moderate to heavy snow tomorrow through tomorrow night, with temperatures reaching the upper 20s to near 30 in the Long Valley. Western Treasure Valley, a chance for some snow in the morning, then picking up a little bit later in the day, mixing with some rain at times late tomorrow and into Sunday, with high temperatures in the low 40s on through the day tomorrow. 7-day forecast. We warm up here in the valley all the way to the mid to upper 40s with rain showers through Monday and Tuesday. A cold front by Tuesday drops temperatures into the 30s for the latter half of the week. That will change things to snow for us, but by then most of the moisture is gone. So mountains get hit hard, not so much for the valleys, and we dry out by the end of next week. So expect to see that wintry conditions, more like December should be, Shira. The last several days was more like, I don't know, early November.
Yeah, so bundle up, right?
Definitely.
This weekend? Perfect. Thanks, Jim.